The Little Rabbit's Big Lesson. Once upon a time, in a forest filled with tall trees and winding streams, there lived a little rabbit named Rosie. Rosie loved to play with her friends and explore the forest. One day, while hopping through the woods, Rosie stumbled upon a beautiful garden filled with juicy carrots and crunchy lettuce. She thought to herself, "Wow! This garden is amazing. I want to take some of these delicious veggies for myself." Just as Rosie was about to grab a carrot, she heard a gentle voice behind her. "Welcome to my garden, little rabbit," said the voice. It was the garden's owner, an old wise owl. Rosie explained that she just wanted to take a few veggies for herself. The owl smiled and said, "I can share my garden with you, but first, you must help me water the plants and take care of them." Rosie agreed and worked hard to help the owl. As she did, she learned the value of hard work and taking care of things that don't belong to her. The moral of the story is: hard work and taking care of things that don't belong to us is important. When we respect and care for others' property, we build trust and friendship.